Kilala nyo ba si Wei Xiong-lin o Alan Lim? Mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Pharmaly.
The one on the left, I have met him.
Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo?
None. I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss. Oro One is a POGO service provider. Inaamin nyo ba na presidente kayo ng Oro One?
I'm actually not sure about the name of the company, if it's Or1, but what I can remember is perhaps during that time when they were opening, they needed a business permit. They needed to apply for a business or operating permit. That's why my name was there.
Sir, masyado kayong high level para gawing dummy, Nino Man. I don't think na may not sure dito. I don't think na may maybe dito. Kasi ito pinapakita namin, PAGCOR license issued to Oro One bilang POGO service provider ng Sunway Technologies Inc. Kilala nyo ba si Wei Xiong-lin?
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Mukhang pinagpalit lang yung pangalan niya sa Sunway Technologies, kung saan service provider ang Oro One, kung saan presidente kayo dito sa official document na ito ng PAGCOR. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung litrato ni Wei Xiong-lin o Alan Lim mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Pharmaly ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Dito rin sa Senado. Do you remember him now?
这个我有见过，这个有见过。
The one on the left, I have met him.
So you have met. Kilala nyo si
Oh.
Wei Xiong-lin.
Okay.
Paano nyo siya kilala?
这个有时候在那
Yes, I think I have met him during some Chinese social events. For example, like wedding or any kind of events with the Chinese people.
Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo?
没有啊，
None. I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss.
哦，
你是大老板的。
Claro. Everyone else reports to you.
就是我的生意。
Yeah, because these are all my own businesses, so I don't report to anyone.
You don't report to anyone sa Oro One. Everyone in Oro One reports to you.
Oro1 is not reporting to me. No one from Oro1 is reporting to me.
You are the president, Mr. Yang.
我当时是
The reason why my name was in Oro1 is because during that time, I rented out the place to them.
Hindi lang ang pangalan nyo nasa Oro One dahil nag-rent lang kayo sa kanila. Bukod sa presidente, kayo ang majority shareholder ng Oro One.
当时是先
Yes, it was only during that time that they needed help with the permits and all. That's why I was connected with them. It was the bookkeeper who recorded.
Sir, hindi lang kayo hiningan ng tulong. Hindi lang kayo tulad ni Guo Huaping na authorized representative ng was it Hongsheng at nakakuha ng letter of no objection sa munisipyo, sa municipal board noon ng Bamban. Sa mga papeles na ito, kayo ang presidente, kayo rin ang majority shareholder ng Oro.